Adjust the drill machine position. Support leg. Move away the truck. Lower the leg. The drill can be easily adjusted to a horizontal state according to the level. Raise the drilling tower after lifting the tower, then tighten the drill tower. Connect the water inlet of the mud pump. Secure the connection with a clamp. Connect the water outlet. Tighten with a pipe wrench. Open the water outlet valve. Install the positioner. Install the water tap. Place a sealing ring at the water inlet. Connect the water inlet pipe. Lift the power head. Apply lubricating grease to the drill pipe threads. The 3-wing drill bit. Rotate the head to install the drill rod. Adjust the throttle to add fuel. Start the diesel engine. Open the mud pump. The mud pump starts to pump water. The bit drills slowly. The bit drills slowly. Reverse the rotation head to unload the drill rod. Add a drill rod and continue drilling. Reverse the rotation head to unload the drill rod. Unload the water tap. Disconnect the water inlet pipe. Remove the water tap. Connect the drill machine inlet pipe. Tighten with a pipe wrench. Rotate the head to connect the drill rod. Retract the rod and unscrew the drill rod. Reverse the rotation head to unload the drill rod. Configure the washing liquid according to a certain ratio. Connect the foam pump inlet pipe. Start the foam pump and send the washing liquid to the bit. Install the drill bit on the impactor. Connect the air inlet. Tighten with a pipe wrench. Connect the gas outlet of the air compressor. Tighten with pipe pliers. Fix the welding machine to weld the root canal tightly. Connecting the impactor. Turn on the air compressor switch. Power on the air compressor. Start the air compressor. Increase load. Open the gas outlet ball valve. Start the gas delivery ball valve of the drilling rig. Reversing the rotation head to remove the drill pipe. Connect new drill pipe. Dismantle the drill pipe. Reversing the rotation head to remove the drill pipe. Install the quick release lever. Quick rod unloader catches drill pipe. Clasp the drill pipe groove to grab the drill pipe. Remove the drill pipe with a release rod. The winch hook hooks the lifting head. Install the lifting head on the drill pipe, lifting the drill pipe by winding up the hook. Open locator. Install the drill bit assembly. Apply lubricating grease to the threads of the impactor. The drill bit is installed on the impactor. Place the root canal at the locator limit hole position. Close the locator. Insert the pin shaft. Install the lifting head on the drill pipe. The winch hook hooks the lifting head. Place the impactor assembly in a suitable position in the root canal. Connect the swivel head to the impactor assembly. Dismantle the drill pipe. Place the next level root canal and drill pipe. Apply lubricating grease to the thread of the connecting root canal. Connect the next level root canal and drill pipe. Close the gas outlet ball valve. Rotate the lower ball valve handle counterclockwise to exhaust. Turn off the air compressor, lifting the drill pipe. Clasp the drill pipe groove to grab the drill pipe. Dismantle the drill pipe. Remove the drill pipe. Remove the impactor assembly. Using a hydraulic pipette to secure the root canal, insert a new root canal. Tighten the root canal. Connect the hydraulic oil pipe of the pipe puller. Inserting fixed tiles. Activate hydraulic pipe puller. Lift the root canal with a winch before removing it. Gradually extract the root canal. Support the legs. Truck pouring into designated position. Adjust the drill machine position. Complete the loading.